Ford Transit Custom with 86,000 miles on a 69 plate, 2020. Ex-fleet vehicle, comes with full service history, will come with a major service and full wet belt kit done, ready for sale. Just had its 12 months MOT. Nice and clean throughout, very presentable van. Few little nicks but pretty straight throughout. Interior nice and clean. Into the rear, it's got plyboards. So a very presentable van and ready for work straight away. Into the driver's side, driver's seats, no rips, no tears. Will come with our standard 3-month warranty to give you peace of mind.